All right, ever since ChatGPT exploded onto the scene, the hype has been, well, it's been absolutely massive, right? We've seen it write essays, plan entire vacations, it can even pump out lines of code. But there's this one huge question that I know is on your mind, especially if you're a creator. Can this thing really build your dream app from scratch? You know, the whole shebang. Let's get a real reality check for what's possible right now and heading into 2025.
I mean, is it really possible? Can you just type a simple sentence into a chat box, hey, build me an app that does this and that, and poof, a few minutes later, a fully functional, ready-to-launch app just appears. That's the dream, for sure. But is it our reality? Well, let's dig in. Okay, so before we can answer what it can build, we've got to take a quick step back and remember what ChatGPT really is at its core. Let's just pop the hood for a second on this language powerhouse. And here it is. The key phrase right here is language model. See, ChatGPT's entire universe, it's made of words. It's text. It is incredibly good at understanding what you're saying, predicting the next best word in a sentence, and just generating text that sounds like a human wrote it. Its superpower is conversation. It's generating text. It's not executing actions. Think of it this way, and this is the most important part. It talks, it doesn't do.
All right, so we've set the stage. We know it's a talker, not a doer. So, let's get to the reality check. The big question, the one you came here for. Can it actually build an app all by itself?
And the answer is a big, fat no. Simple as that. You can't just give it a prompt and expect a fully built, ready-to-deploy app to come out the other side. Not right now, at least. And I know what you're thinking. Why the heck not?
Well, here's why. It's actually pretty fundamental. See, ChatGPT can write code, which is amazing, but it has no way to actually run that code. It can't compile it, it can't connect to a backend database or manage APIs for you, and it definitely can't handle the super complicated process of getting an app published on the app stores. On top of all that, sometimes it just, well, it makes stuff up. We call those hallucinations. Plus, it doesn't really see or understand visual design and complex layouts. It's literally like a brilliant brain with no hands to build anything.
Okay, but wait, don't get discouraged. This is not the end of the story. Just because it can't fly the plane by itself doesn't mean it's useless. Far from it. We just have to change how we think about it. It's not the pilot. It's your new AI co-pilot. And this idea of a co-pilot just hits the nail on the head. Its job is to help you, the pilot, to make your workflow faster, to cut down on all that boring research time, and to make solving problems way, way simpler. It's there to assist you in getting the job done.
So what can this co-pilot actually do for you? Oh, a ton of stuff. You can use it to brainstorm killer app ideas or flesh out user features. If you're a developer, it can write little chunks of code for you or help you find that one super annoying bug. It's an absolute game changer for writing all the copy for your app. You know, the welcome screens, the button text, the notifications. It can even give you some solid advice on UI and UX. It's basically a super smart assistant for every step of the journey. Okay, so if ChatGPT is our co-pilot, helping with all the ideas and the text, then who's actually building the plane? What's the tool that takes all this great stuff and turns it into a real app that people can download? And this chart right here lays it out perfectly. Just look at the roles. ChatGPT, that's your idea guy, your assistant. A no-code platform, that's for execution and deployment. That's the builder. And the output? ChatGPT gives you text, ideas, little bits of code. The no-code platform gives you an actual working app. And check out that last row, because this is the big one. Publishing. Impossible with ChatGPT, but with a no-code platform, it's literally built right in. And that's because these no-code platforms are built for one purpose: to get the job done. They're the factory floor. They give you a visual drag-and-drop world where you can design everything, manage your content, and handle all that complicated publishing stuff in one place. No coding required. So you see where this is going, right? This isn't a competition. It's not AI versus no code. The real magic, the winning combination for the future, is when you put them both together. And if you remember one thing from all this, let it be this. The future isn't AI or no code. It's AI with no code. That's the partnership that's going to change everything. So here's your modern workflow, your new playbook. It's a simple 3-step process. First, you ideate. You use ChatGPT as your co-pilot to brainstorm features, figure out who your users are, and write all your marketing copy. Then you build. You take all those ideas and assets and jump into a no-code platform to visually design and put your app together. And finally, you deploy. You just use the built-in tools in that platform to publish it straight to the app stores. Simple as that. And looking to the future, oh man, things are only going to get cooler. As these AI models get even smarter, that line between just generating text and creating functional output is going to get blurrier and blurrier. We're already seeing no-code tools integrate AI more deeply. And trust me, we're just at the very beginning of this. So here's the bottom line. That dream of building a whole app with just one sentence, it's not here yet. But the power to team up an amazing AI copilot with a user-friendly no-code builder, that is absolutely here, right now. The tools have never been easier to use. So the real question isn't about the tech anymore. It's about you. Your big idea is ready. So how are you going to build it?